What's up, YouTube? Good morning. YouTube is being weird. Had to restart this. So, can you all hear me now? Let me see a yes if you can hear me. Let me know. All right, let's do this. We're good to go. What's everyone watching this morning? Favorite setups?
Me?
This everyone.
Honestly, I don't see a lot for my hourly, for my 4 hour. And now we're in between pre-market low and high. We're in between our opening 5 minute candle high and low. Honestly, I don't really see anything that I like at this moment. What about you, bro? Anything for you? Or Greg?
I'm looking 117 and 22021.
So you're a ways away from both yours too, Greg, huh?
Yeah. So I'm expecting the touch of one of these three levels and the reaction. Maybe we will go to 117, then 134, grab some liquidity, and maybe we can bounce on 22021. That's what I'm looking. Right now, standing by. We are between the levels.
I'm just glad to be here with you all, YouTube. See if we can't make some money today. I'm gonna drink my protein.
Mihoy Minoy SpongeBob indicator. Mihoy Minoy. That.
I'm not sure what that was. Welcome in, everyone. Good morning. Oh, you're welcome. Trying to get all this protein down. Sorry if I am drinking in the microphone. Takes a lot to get all the protein in I need. If you have any questions, YouTube, just drop in chat. I'll do my best to answer them.
What's yours, bro? Bro asked us for our favorite setup. He didn't tell us his, though. What's your favorite setup, my guy?
Oh, I'm here, Brian.
What you watching for today?
Watching the possible bounce around pre-market low. We shall see.
Bro gatekeeping his setups. Bro don't want to share the love.
Who, me?
Yeah.
They're in my watch list.
The other Grizzly.
There's only one Grizzly.
One of one.
Okay, guys, approaching to 0 to 1. See what happened here. Also, QQQ is touching a daily level 530.84. We want to bounce on. You have to be careful with this level. See what happened here. Oh, come on, go down. Don't bounce yet.
How'd everyone do yesterday, YouTube? You all have a good trading day? I had a small green day. I had one winner and one loser. The only reason I had a green day was because I positioned right on the
15-minute
second.
range is set. Minute range is locked in.
I feel that, CDP. It has definitely been a year for the news scandals. Jesus.
See what it gives us.
They're gonna bounce early, huh?
Good morning, everyone. Welcome in, YouTube.
Yeah, the thing is that they bounce using the QQQ levels. They just touched 530.84. That's the reason they bounce so early.
Did I miss anything?
No, I don't think so.
Didn't miss nothing. Okay. Still no trades for me, guys. Market's been open 18 minutes.
The blue box is a
Make sure you guys
15-minute
have
range.
contracts. NQU5. Oh, like Robert said, is the September expiration.
Kind of like shorts here. I think it's going to pay if we just be patient, though.
Oh, yes, TradingView has. Yep. TradingView did. TradingView did roll it. Got anything on watch, Mr. Gene? No?
You just call him Squat Girl. Squat skirts. Or she. He or she. We have business inventories at 10. We have business inventories at 10 a.m. Good morning, everyone. If I take a trade, I'll let you all know. Who all is going to get on the waiting list when I drop it for the automated trading strategies? Almost done with this protein drink, I promise. Kimber, I asked who was going to get on the waiting list for the automated trading strategies when I drop the waiting list. Plan on dropping it today if everything goes good in the meeting. Why waiting list? Because that's going to be the first people that get on. And I need everyone on that waiting list because I'll have to do a webinar, a live webinar with you all to help you set it up, which is very easy to do.
See.
Any questions? Just waiting on the setup.
We got data in 4 minutes as well, everyone. We got data in 4 minutes.
Some data about to drop.
Got business inventories and home builder confidence index. We got FOMC tomorrow too. Woo! Hot dog it. Hot dog it. We got FOMC.
We're just depends who you're trading with, Elizabeth. If you have to tell me who you're using. If anybody has any input for Elizabeth in the comments, help her out. I am not a Top Step expert.
So I'm waiting for this level, guys. Waiting for this level.
Yep.
117, 134.
I do it differently.
We also have news.
If people allow like one day to pass, I typically just try to pass them. I either pass or fail. But if they have consistency rules, you have to adjust your position size to that. It's not a one, position size fits all across all prop firms. And once you're funded, I recommend, light base hits. It'll add up over time. Before you know, if you do it right, you'll be able to pay out.
Minor guys, stay patient today.
My favorite
Stay
prop
patient
firms,
today. There's no need to force anything.
go to grizzlytrades.com. I have a list of them there. Check them
No
out.
need to force anything, my friends.
That's illegal. Insider trading is
Hourly is not showing me much.
not the way
Hourly's
to
not
go.
showing A whole lot. I mean, just look at where we're at on the hourly. Just consolidation.
After I finish up these automated strategies for you all, I'm going to start ripping the funded accounts again.
21,150. 21,120 up to 21,150. See if we can see some supply up in here. Some resistance starts to kick in.
Data's about to drop, everyone. I don't know. It's a good question. Chocolate milk has got me
It's crazy. I need to
my mouth dry. Not chocolate milk, the protein shake.
Hold on.
The guy's touching 1171, Masa.
Well, let's see what they give us here.
I don't know about that. Am I more profitable at trading than Jadon? I don't know. I don't know how much he's made. I don't compare myself to others. I just do what the best I can.
Here the puppies. That means the Riker must be awake. Usually means the setup's about to come in. Setup inbound. Interesting. We rejected that 15-minute high, but didn't quite touch pre-market high.
Yeah. No, I trade mostly on my personal Elizabeth. We have two Elizabeths in here in the chat this morning.
Still just staying patient, everyone. Still just staying patient. Woo.
I just hope we I'd like us to push up to get the reject.
Not a ton of volume in the last 15-minute candle either. Let's see.
It just was in the middle of that range. I want to see us break out of the 15-minute range. I need to pull up ES actually. And
I
pull
haven't
it
seen much in individual names
in
either.
front of me here. It is a short week, everyone, so.
Just waiting to see what they give us. Aggressive reversal candle at that 15-minute high. So if we saw some confirmation in this area, I'd be open to looking for a potential short. It's just higher risk in that first 15-minute zone, first 15-minute range.
I'm not trusting anything right here.
So I'm gonna have to see some real confirmation before I take anything. Ooh, excuse me.
Bless you.
What do you say, Grizzly?
I said bless you.
Thank you, sir. I like it, Savage. Violence only to the downside. I'd love to see some violence to the downside.
Yeah, Powell speak tomorrow during the FOMC meeting. VWAP has dad strength today. The dad strength.
No reject up here for me. This 5-minute candle looked halfway decent right here on screen share. Can't short this trend up right now.
What's SPX at? Can someone look real quick? Doing good. How you been, Jake? Welcome back. 618.
All right, let's see.
Okay, guys, touching 117. Standing by.
Interested to see if we break this 6076 on ES here. Well, it broke it.
The next level and a half is a daily level 134.
So we have, interesting, we have ES.
We broke it. Let's see.
ES broke above our orb. Hi, let's see here. Breaking up of our
Real quick, YouTube.
as well.
Get the thumbs up to 100 real quick. We're almost there. You see the thumbs up? We're at 68. Thank you. Almost there. Need 12 more. You got it.
Rejecting pre-market high, but above 15-minute high. You got anything on watch, Crazy Glock?
Starting to like a long entry.
Yeah, I'm looking for that too. hourly is not really telling me a whole lot. You have this hourly fair value gap potentially watch on ES. Already broke into it once on NQ.
Did auto trader? No, I don't think so. I didn't hear if it did.
This is one of those times where it looks
Grisology's trying to confirm
okay
though for the
Julian.
trend.
I'm just a little hesitant because that puts on an extra 20 points of risk on top of the risk we'd already have to add in if we get down to our buy level.
Have to wait on Kendall close though, everyone. Could invalidate easily.
Standing by, guys. Standing by. Standing by for this level 134.
I'm not crazy about trend entry here. Haven't decided exactly yet. Yo, you never know what's gonna happen with the news though. Usually does the complete opposite of what I think.
Oh man, they reject early touch level.
I just seen a Trump Truth Social tweet come in too. It said something about sharing text from Huckabee in Israel.
Let's see, we do a retest of 117.
Oh no.
No trades for me yet, guys. Technically speaking, the orb is valid here.
Looking precision to taking the shots. Looking right now.
Just be patient here, everyone.
Not feeling longs quite yet, guys. I might miss.
The ORH, they're just showing us the opening range high. It retested it, and all it is saying is it closed above it.
Technically speaking, if you were taking longs, you have to keep stops, tight stops below 100, lower risk stops, higher risk stops. You can put 20 points from entry. I am not in them, just to make that very clear. If I miss it, that's completely okay with me, because I'm not 100% sold and set up quite yet.
So we're below 117. Looking right now, guys.
How we feeling, YouTube? Should we try some longs here, or are we gonna hold off? It's just hard to take a trade when you have stupid tweets dropping.
Someone said I traded crazy when I first started. Oh my gosh, totally. Patience and discipline has accumulated over the years. Technically, orb speaking, long still valid. I just am not so sold on this yet. I may end up regretting that later. But it's not something that I'd have big FOMO on.
I'm thinking longs, and we just keep our stops below 2100 if we try them. What do you think, J-Dunn?
I don't think it's a bad idea.
Are you sold on it?
I don't think it's a bad idea. I just kind of wanted to see a little more strength in this next 5-minute candle. And we still, even if you took longs here at 109, you still have, even with a 20-point stop, you have a little buffer down there.
Yeah. I'm a little
Looking short.
iffy on it.
Greg likes the shorts.
Yeah, because we are on this level, 117. We are below. We reject 134, and now we are below 117.
I like when all
I'm
three of
ho-
us are on the same page.
Fantastic. And show, guys.
I'm holding off on my trade, everyone.
106 my entry. Boom.
I'm not in anything
Come on.
either.
106 my entry.
Greg tried shorts, everyone. If you trade with Greg, 106 is his average. 106 is short average.
Keep going down.
Oh, that 50
I'm not
went
trusting
low.
it personally, but I hope it prints for him. We have a respective VWAP well. Let's see what we do when we get to it, if we do push down. I feel like we all have been hurt by the market this year. We're all we're all extra cautious now. It's okay though. As a trader, we have the choice, what trade we take.
As you guys can see on
If
the
we,
screen
don't
share,
feel good
close
about it,
below
we
this
don't have to
is
trade
so
it.
low. So now once we get some sort of build back up, no interest in longs for me until we see that strength.
Appreciate the 100 thumbs up, everyone. You all are the best. I don't care what Medman says about you. What? Yeah, I feel that.
Come on.
Give Greg his move down. Come on.
Manifesting the move down for Greg.
Green, but small green. Come on. Need more. We need more. We need more. You are not into sure, feel free to trim whatever you want, guys. I haven't trimmed yet. Just waiting a little more.
Ooh.
Interesting. Is it?
Now, part of the reason why I didn't test out orb long is I didn't like how that last 5-minute candle looked. I could have missed it. Totally could have missed it, but just wasn't in my playbook. And then, as far as the reverse orb goes, this candle didn't really have, a lot of aggressive volume.
Yeah, the volume is trash.
It's not really in a good spot either way from me to trade.
Push down for Greg.
I also don't like that we're back and forth yet between pre-market highs, you can see here on screen share, and then our orb high. Now we have a lot of indecision in this area. I want to see some clear trend before I take my trade. We can get that, it'll be good.
I was watching this candle for a possible long entry here, but just not enough volume on it. Oh, I apologize if I'm rooting against your position, YouTube.
Break.
Greg entered shorts. I was rooting for him. I know how it is when someone's rooting against your position. I hate that.
You know, war is
One strong rectangle. Come on.
war isn't cool, but I wouldn't mind some news for your puts, Greg. Give us some tariff headlines.
Bro's
That's
wishing
something
for
to
war.
What?
I said,
What?
bro's wishing for war for Greg's puts.
War ain't cool, but a headline real quick to make a dump wouldn't be so bad. It's always crazy when you see people on social media. They're like, "All right, guys, come on, war, war, war," and meanwhile they have $100 of the puts in the line. Like, bro, what?
War's good for some companies. It's not always bearish.
You know, traditionally, war ends up being bullish. Unfortunately. Initially, the shock sends the market down, but we've recovered every single time.
My stop loss is 130, guys. 130.
Starting to like longs again, everyone.
I don't have a clear read in this market either way.
I'm going to try some ES longs, everyone. My stop's going to be below 6072. ES longs. 6072 is the stop if we hit it. Probably be my only trade today.
ES is showing some relative strength.
Yeah.
We're trading above our 15-minute high, too.
Okay. 6076 is what I'm in at. If we hit my stop, let's see. We can keep the stop at it's hard for me to see. 6072 or yeah, a close below or a touch of. Whatever you prefer. Do not go heavy this week. It's a short week and we have a ton of stuff going on. What's everyone think about the for rates tomorrow? What's your guess? No, I'm in longs. ES longs. ES longs. People saying unchanged. Does anyone ever actually place the bets on Robinhood or whatever you want to call it for that stuff? Like the rates going uncut? Yeah, you can do it on Robinhood.
Yeah, they offer betting now.
Yeah. Don't you do it, ES.
I would say look at this chart as far as NQ goes. I like shorts in here with stops above this candle. I just hate that we're holding this 100. Holding pulse psych number key level 22,100. So that significantly takes my edge down.
6072 will be my stop, everyone. Hard stop. May get it. And it got it.
Come on.
About sums up this market this year.
112.92. Next pop up. I'm looking for shorts, guys. If we break above 113, that won't be valid.
I'm about my first dream here.
Nice job, Greg.
Oh,
Thank
I still like longs.
I haven't dreamed yet.
Don't
It
sound
still looks
yet.
good, but it's,
Okay, dream some guys.
Nice job,
Dreaming
Greg.
some, stop loss slightly in profit. Thank you. Let's see if we can get 0 to 1, guys. 0 to 1.
I can't chase time here, guys. Gosh dang it.
Let's see if we
What
can
is
get
it?
mega trade, guys. Mega trade. We are heading for the 4-hour level out below. Mega trade is possible here. Stop loss slightly in profit.
still don't like the downside, everyone. I'm glad Greg made some money, but still, what I'm looking at says we won't go higher on ES.
Let me try a small piece of shorts up here, guys. Just add piece there. Add it. A second piece around 100. Stops at 113. I did try those, guys. I tried the shorts up there.
Jaden entered some NQ shorts.
Hard stops at 113. Come on. Dump it down for us. That's almost 15
There you
points so
go.
far. Come on, we want more though. We need at least 20 points to make it worth it. So I can't trim it until at least 20 points. You're in the green 10 points here. Give or take your entry. But I need more. So I'm either gonna get stopped out or I'm gonna get my first.
This
trim
volume just
above
isn't
20.
telling me anything here now.
I'm willing to add 2. I got a starter piece on that pop up, but I'd like to see more.
That's awesome. Glad you're making
Mega
money.
trade. Mega trade.
Still want longs. Call me crazy, but we look like we're ready to make the next push up. Possibly even to 60.91 on ES.
This is break-even area up here, but I'm still gonna hold to my planned stop loss, unless we see something else where I have to cut it.
I'm just looking at the chart, everyone. Looking at ES chart,
Biggest risk on this.
it wants up. It may have stopped us out by a couple points before it does it,
20
but
points.
I don't believe I'm reading the price action wrong.
We get a close on this candle that looks like this, and we have higher volume. That's gonna show.
We only had what, 4 points worth of risk? Not bad at all.
Less
on that
likely
trade.
to continue on down. By the hard stop in. I have not added anything.
We could, one thing that could happen, we could chop this zone before continuing up, have the breakout later or, tomorrow. I will give it another try if we get a confirmation candle, though.
Come on.
We'll see.
Come on. Great piece of structure. Come on.
Don't love that candle. Still gonna hold. Still gonna follow my original plan. So the risk is so minimal.
Just got an email from some prop firms that talking about the market being closed Thursday. So
Got up to.
I know the futures will probably be open that morning. Just be sure you
close
follow
to
the
20
rules
points.
if you're
We're
using
about
funded
72
account.
points, but just needed that 20 plus points to equal out the R multiple. So if we can get a flush below this previous low, that should give it to us. That should be
I just hope it prints for Jaden. I'm
enough
not
to
in
do
trade
it
now.
with that trim. And manage how you see fit. It's up over 10 points right now. Just not enough in terms of R multiple for me to trim.
I need to do another
guys
giveaway
think
on
that's
here,
really
YouTube.
smart.
Maybe tomorrow we
Stop
do a
loss must
giveaway.
be at least
Come on, push
breaking.
down for Jaden.
Don't let it go red, huh?
I'm gonna move my stops down too. I'm gonna move my stops down to still would be slightly red, but I'm gonna put them at.
I might have some Apex and some take profit accounts for you all. The Apex will probably be next week. You all still using Apex, right? Using code Grizzly. See if I can't get you all some free accounts with them. Took one 4-point loser, Aaron. One 4-point losing trade on ES. Waiting on another setup. Jaden's short right now. Yeah, I tried some longs at what where we enter 6076 on ES. We had our stops at 6072. Oh, sorry, I was muted there. That's only if, something happens. Something questionable. Now we're starting to get some more volume. Let's see. No, my biggest payout with Apex was 30K, 30 something K, almost 40. I need to get back on the grind. I'm telling you all, once I drop these automated strategies, I'm gonna grind the funded with you all. Win or lose. I don't know if I'd recommend them for beginners. If you understand, how your trading view works, maybe, but you at least have to have an understanding. I don't want to fade the shorts. Honestly, I thought about going long again, everyone, but I don't want you all to take another losing trade because of me. I'm going to hold off. Get a better read here. I'm watching ES and NQ charts. If we took longs, our stop would have to be here. Don't want you all to take a losing trade, but I'm liking longs on NQ. Do we close above this 22,100 is the question. So weird. Looking at price action, it looks like it wants the upside. People are saying flow, saying downside. Volume is kind of, iffy. The VWAP entry is what we should have taken, huh? They had been respecting it well. I'll let you all know if I do enter, if you want to know. Aaron, it's been a tough year. We'll get through it. We just gotta hang in there. Keep our positions light and be very picky. That's all we can do. You're trying it? Everyone agrees we want to try longs or no? Fine. Tried a little big on that pullback, everyone. A little bit longs. In Q this time. Right here with my entry, exactly, everyone.
Touched 110 again.
It may just chop.
All
If we
right.
fail it this time, it has
Thinking
a
about it.
possibility to chop here.
That's the way. I like it.
Jada. Well,
I swear, if they freaking.
might just be a choppy morning.
Sometime.
It happens, especially on the short weeks. Did you all roll your contracts? Are you just trying to fade me or what?
That's the way. Well, for being honest, I'm looking at another shorts entry. That's all I see right now. Trying one more shorts piece.
Jada short. Hope it prints for him, but
Break above 111. No, not
we push
valid.
back up. I'll probably just close mine out at break even, everyone. Too much.
I like
Too many
that
mixed
three all the way up to 100
signals
area,
around
so
here.
it's minimal risk. Tried one more shorts piece, guys, on this pop up. Hard stops at 111, so. This area only had 15 points of risk. If I can risk 15, if we get the flush of the low, potentially get 20 plus, that's a dub.
You know what? I'm gonna stay in this, everyone.
Ryan, you
Keep
go
my
back to
stops
break even
below.
today.
I'm
Don't
keeping my
work out.
stops below VWAP. if it stops me out, I'm just gonna be done. I was green yesterday. It'll be
Using the restroom to be right back. My hard stops are set there. So
red today if it
the
stops
risk
me
is
out.
defined and managed. All right, I'm back. Come on, flush it down.
Jayden, they don't know I'm in short or in long. It may do it. I don't see shorts being the way to go here. I mean, it may go down and stop me out. But what I'm seeing here, it looks like we're ready to continue up to that previous day close area at least. Previous day high maybe. Flow says down though. I don't know. If they know something we don't. All right, everyone. I'm calling it. It's not my day. Watch it bounce again and chop, but that's all it's going to get from me today. So, one green day, one red day so far this week.